Hello everyone and welcome back to another video. In today's video I'm going to show you how to fix music stops playing in background in Amazon Music. So if your app stops playing in the background as well, it's usually your phone killing the app to save battery or data. So actually guys, at first you will need to remove the battery restrictions, okay? So all you need to do is to go with your device settings, and after that just go and tap on battery, that's option, and then make sure the low power mode turned off. Okay, and now you will need to disable the power saving modes. Okay, so you all need to turn off the battery saver as I told you, and the ultra power saving mode or the power saving mode. So these modes often pause music apps in the background, so just go ahead and turn them off. Also guys, I really advise you to update the app, so just go with your Apple App Store, look for the Amazon Music by using the Explore icon that you can see on the bottom right of my screen on the Apple App Store, and just tap it. Once it's found, then tap on update if available. Okay, and if still broken, you will need to uninstall and reinstall the app. Also guys, they really advise you to check your internet connection or internet stability, so you will need to switch between the Wi-Fi and the mobile data and turn the airplane mode, the option that you can see at the top of my screen, on then off, because the weak connection can cause the background playback to stop. So actually guys, that's it. This is the end of the video. Thank you so much for watching and goodbye.